Alright, welcome to another video. Here we are, back in the industrial project. As we can see here, we have 1300 barrels going to petroleum, we have around 300 going to normal oil, and we have no plastics output. So that is what we need to work with now. We need to start working on the plastic industry, so to say. And there's a few ways that we can fit that. Either we can do it down here, up here. It doesn't really matter. All we need is just for it to connect up to this here. But I do think we can do it here somehow, because we have roads going here, we have train tracks going here, and I only think we need 2 smaller plots since it's only 300 barrels roughly. Right now it's even just 200. It'll go up and down quite a bit, but just around 200-300 barrels we need to process into plastics. So let me first of all lower my in-game volume. And we grab a piece of road here and we will start designing the plot. I think maybe we should try it in one really big plot. So let's grab a road, pull it out here like that. Let's make our little corner where we always start building from. Delete that, go into industry tab, and we find our processing facility and the Napta cracker plant. I still don't know how to pronounce that properly, but that's the one we're gonna use. It is quite big, but that is totally fine. So let's see if we can get a little bit of a design going here. Let's add a few more. Alrighty, so there we go. I don't know if this here is enough capacity. I think we might actually have a few more, and we'll do one big plot for it. So let's add the last ones here. I think we'll do 2 more rows. And that will be pretty much it. And so, bada bing, bada boom, there we go. Looking pretty sweet, and what we need now is for it to be able to connect up to this here, and also to connect to the cargo train terminals. And I think we're going to add some specific connections out here for the actual cargo train terminals. So they don't take any unnecessary space where they will be processing stuff. So we'll do it like that. And I think we shall extend these out here for highway connections. Like so. And we might even add some extra right here, like so, using a different type of design. God damn, looking pretty good, looking pretty good. And now we need to think about the highway connections. So is it only 3-way? We have 4-way, 3-way. Okay, let's do the 4-way out here on the right side. It needs to be going something like that. Perfect. Let's do a few extra out, and we have entrance going, I think, like that, right? Like so. Perfect. And then on this side here we have exit going right here, and we have entrance going right here. Let's start doing the connections. We've done these 1,000 times, so I'm gonna put it on a quick little time lapse again, and we'll see how it turns out. Alrighty, there we go. There's our little plot. So there's a few ways that we can connect this here. And probably I'll twist it a little bit. Let me show you exactly what I mean. I'll grab it like this. Copy. I will put it over here. Bada bing, bada boom. I'll select the old one, delete it, grab the new one, copy it, rotate it. And then I'll probably put it like that, I think. Yep, there we go. Let's delete this one, because we won't need that one no more. And now we just need to connect up the highways. So let's see here, let's grab all the correct sizes here. Like this, like that. Oh wait, that's actually 3? Oh, I thought that would be 4. Goddamn. I guess we'll continue like this here. Oh. Like that. Like so. Let's see if we can connect it up properly here. Perfect, perfect. Let's see if we can do a little nice connection here. Pretty much like that. Let me just do a straight one there. That is way better. Okay, what we just need to do now is connect these cargo train terminals up here. And let's see here if there is a good way to do that. And we'll just put these one straight out like so and one up. Oh, come on. There we go. Perfect. There we go. Now we just need to take them down to the correct level and we can connect them up. There we go. I'm just trying to keep them looking pretty much the same. There we go. Let's do a quick save and we need to add a few services here as well. File station, police station as usual, a small little crematorium and a incineration plant, and we should be all set and ready to go. So yeah, we'll actually wait for these here. Not enough water, of course, that is my bad. Need to put some pipes to them. There we go. Very nice, very nice. Now they have their water. Let's do a quick save and let me have a sip of my water. And they should be processing now. They have workers, they have oil, and now it's just a matter of time before they start producing plastic and they start exporting it. Let's actually see here. We are starting to produce plastic. That is pretty good. That is pretty good. Hopefully this is a pretty balanced industry, but I guess there's only one way to find out. Also, we have no. So this here looks pretty good so far. There's one more thing we need to do, and that is to connect this system up here with these two exporting lines here. And there's not a lot of traffic here, so we might use those here and just try to add one here on each side, and that won't fit over there. So maybe like one here and one here, or just one over here. That could also work. But at the same time, it's not like the best way to do it, really, because there will be too much traffic here. I like to keep it I like to keep it at this amount here. I don't want any more traffic there, really. Okay, so it seems like we are starting to export some plastic now, which is really nice. Also, we need a way for them to be able to export plastic over to this system here, so that we can start producing unique items at our unique factories. Let's actually have a look here at how many of the unique factories we're using. Quite a bit. Quite a far bit away from using every one of them. I think it's a bit crazy having it like this, because there's not a lot of traffic going here. I think maybe we should start reworking this here so that every unique factory is like at a unique factory plot instead of this crazy mess here. So I think I'm actually gonna, let's see here, I'm actually gonna remove it like that, I think. Like that, and let's do the same over here. And let's see if we can do one big plot with it here. That would be pretty cool. So let's go out here and let's see if we can find a pretty cool design here. I'm thinking we need a roundabout to be connected to these guys here. Somehow. Let's see, I don't know what type of roundabout though. What type is that? That is just your normal small roundabout. Okay, so these here are pretty much all the same length, and I just need a way to connect up to the entire unique factory system. And yeah, how would one do that? That is a really good question. That is a really good question. So we have the system going in here. That would be so crazy, having it connect up like that on every one of these. And it would actually make no sense. It would not make any sense at all. And that deforms the entire roundabout, which I don't really like, because that means the roundabout is probably too small. So let's grab a big boy roundabout then, like so. Let's remove those. Hopefully this one won't deform the same amount. There we go, 2-lane highways. Let's connect it up. Perfect. Perfect. Okay, the biggest question is here now. How does one connect all of this here up together in a good way? I think if we roll a big road going out like this and just roll it out, I think we can get somewhere. Yeah, okay, let me copy this here. Like so. Let's enable snapping, and I should be able to snap it onto these here on each and every one. Of course I'll have to redo the connection, because movie tool doesn't connect it up all the way, so to say. It just adds it on top pretty much. So I need to go into our 2-lane highways again and connect that up. Very nice. So now that that is fixed, I think we can do like a really big sort of like connect them all up here somehow. I think that would actually work. And just make one really big plot out of them. There we go. Should be somewhat equal here on each and every one of them. It's actually pretty close to perfect. That is pretty good. That is pretty good. So now we can have some traffic flowing in and out of here. We can even add some cargo train terminals in the future. But right now, we need to make sure that we start adding all the unique factories, just so that we can see exactly how much traffic is going to flow over there. Let's see. And I don't know exactly how the unique factories will behave. It might be that if you have one of each unique factory, they might not all be used. I guess it also depends on how much commercial zoning you have. So there might come a time where we will expand the population here and go for like 300, 400, 500k population and just filling the entire thingy with industry. We're not really there yet. We still need more knowledge about the unique industries here. So let's go from the beginning, I guess. And let's just start adding them up. God damn, some of them are... Is that the car industry? Petroleum refined... Damn, that's really big. Oh wow, that's a really weird shape. Oh, that must be the car factory. God damn, that is huge. Oh, that is so funny. All the funny shapes. Wait, I can't place that one? How? Is that one glitched? Oh, shoreline, I'm stupid. Shipyard. Ocean Pod Shipyard is known for its high quality cruise ships that are delivered around the world. Wow, that is cool. We'll have to have that one in the future. But that explains pretty well why I was not able to place it here. Okay, so they are not really placed exactly where they need to be. So I guess we don't do that, but we actually mark each and every one of them. Like so. We move them up. I think to like over there would make some sense, right? And these here didn't come with it for some reason. That is really weird, and I can't even seem to delete it with movie tool. That is actually a bit annoying. There we go. Okay, so what if I do copy C, select old selection here, delete, do copy, and try and replace them, re-add them properly instead. Like that. That is a lot better. So let's see here. They will of course need all the water. There we go. I don't know if they needed coverage all the way up there, but hopefully this here is a little bit better. Let's give them some actual services here. Let's do one of those. Let's do fire station. Let's do police station. And let's do, where is it? There it is, incineration plant for all the garbage. So now we should be able to produce all the products right now. So let's do a quick save and let's see how this here is gonna turn out. So we're actually not using the hub right now, and so we will redesign the hub so that they can connect directly to this one, and we don't really need a middleman, so to say, but we don't really need this middle hub here, if that makes sense. Damn, so many planes. What we really need now is a better way for them to deliver goods out to the commercial zoning. And what I'm talking about there is, of course, warehouses. We will need a lot of those. So we might actually add some here in the beginning, because it would make some sense, I guess. Wait, what is that? Multiple problems? Crazy? What now? Quick save again. No resource selection, of course. Oh, damn. We need to have one for each resource. So we need zone industry, no. Unique. Oh. There we go. Okay, that is quite interesting. So how many do we have here? Balanced. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. No, wait, we won't do that. We'll only do unique factory products. I think that's the only one we'll do. There we go. I'll do the same here, because that's the things that we are going to sell basically. So that is our car factory, and it actually has every single product. That is really nice. That is really nice to see. Damn, that is one big building, but it's nowhere near the size of some of the real car factories out there. Those are insanely big, like really insane. This is nothing. But yeah, we should be producing pretty much every damn resource, every unique factory there is out there now. So let's go into that here. Expenses 23k, oil is going positive, or positive. That is really good. We're still overall in the negative, but of course we will expand and improve all the time. I don't know if they are able to get all the products to the correct place. This one just got some... Oh. Delivery truck, is this our first one? Let's see if it is. Let's see the route it takes. And maybe we can figure out a better way to improve it. Seems to be going us straight for the commercial zones, which is just perfect. See if it takes the first exit here. Oh, it does seem like it wants to do so. Gonna take our underground entrance here to the city. Oh, traveling quite a bit, quite a distance. There we go, delivered its goods. And now I think it's heading back again. It is. So let's see here. It is taking this highway, but that is just to get out on this one again. So that is a little bit clumsy. It is not the best way to travel around here, I think. So okay, so now it's heading back again. It's not the best way, but it's not the worst way either, because it gets out on the highway quite quickly. And then from the highway it gets out to the main highway here. Yeah, now it's back in no time, so that is pretty good. I wonder how much money. Okay, so it's in positive. Almost, not anymore. So I guess that's gonna be quite difficult getting in the positive. It might be, since we have each and every one of these here. But it's okay, we want each and every one. Oil is all stored up. Yeah, 1337 barrels. God damn, that's elite. I don't know exactly what's the next step here. I think just overall expansion of like industrial capacity is what we need. Because we have every system in place. we have pretty much 0 traffic issues without the harbor being a little bit bombarded. But that's pretty fine. For example, we need more processing facilities here, so we would be able to expand those quite easily. Just to get a little bit more profit, you know. And we can go around and just balance everything here. In the forest industry, we still need more processing. In the this here farming industry, let's see how that looks. That is actually pretty good. That is very good balanced. So this here needs rebalancing. Forest industry needs rebalancing. Oil industry, I forgot to check properly. How is it looking? That actually seems pretty good balanced, right? Okay, so I think we've come pretty far here in this episode. We have added the unique factories and they are working and exporting to our commercial zoning. We have our complete oil industry that produces all items that it can produce, and it does it without any traffic jams and just looking really awesome. A little bit overkill maybe on the highways and the entire grid system here, but it's pretty good, it's pretty good. At least you won't have to worry, which is always nice. Maybe we need to fix this little roundabout here later on, of course, because it's a little bit of it's too big of a bottleneck, pretty much. But we're gonna fix that, But yeah, we've come pretty far. We have every industry, every raw resource, every processed resource. We're making some money, losing some money. But as you can see, our unemployment rate is really high. So what we need to do here now is just improve our overall production rates and capacities for people to work in, and just overall capacity. Our industrial capacity needs to be pumped up, way up. And yeah, I guess that's pretty much what we're gonna do for the next episode. We might also play around a little bit with some barracks and where are they? Over here, workers barracks and some other little what are they called? Policies, that's right. But as always, I hope you guys have enjoyed the episode. A big thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.